My child, I see you. You've been trying to hold it together, smiling in public, praying in private, breaking in silence. I see the pain behind your eyes, the heaviness in your chest you try to hide from the world. You think no one understands, but I do. I was there in the garden, crushed by sorrow so deep I sweated blood. I've walked the lonely roads. I've been betrayed, mocked, beaten. I've cried out to the Father in anguish. I know the weight you carry, and I know how close you are to giving up. But I'm asking you, don't give up. You may not see the breakthrough yet. You may not understand the silence, but I promise you, this is not the end of your story. You were not created for despair. You were not born to be broken. You were made in my image. You carry eternal purpose. And though this moment feels unbearable, it is not unredeemable. I'm still here, closer than your next breath. I know what it feels like to cry and hear no answer. I know the ache of feeling forgotten. But I tell you this in love, you are not alone. I've never taken my eyes off of you. Every tear you've cried, I've caught it. Every prayer you've whispered, I've heard it. Every time you said, God, I can't do this anymore, I was right there holding your heart together. You're stronger than you think, not because of your will, but because of my spirit within you. My grace is not distant. It's in your struggle. My power is not waiting. It's working in your weakness, in your weariness, in the cracks of your broken soul. Don't mistake the silence for absence. I do my deepest work in the quiet places. You're walking through fire right now, but fire refines. I'm shaping something eternal in you, strength you didn't know you had, wisdom the world can't teach, a faith that isn't shaken by storms. The enemy wants you to quit. He whispers lies in the night. You'll never be free. You're too far gone. God isn't listening. But I speak truth. Whom the sun sets free is free indeed. You are not too far gone. I left the 99 to find you. And I listened to every word from your lips, even the ones soaked in tears. When you feel like giving up, lean into me. Let me carry what you can't. You were never meant to do this alone. You were never designed to fight without me. When you fall, I don't recoil, I reach. When you stumble, I don't shake my head, I steady your steps. You think your weakness disqualifies you, but it's your surrender that invites me in. I use broken things. I redeem shattered hearts. I turn graves into gardens. So give me your grief. Hand me your shame, lay down your fear, and watch what I build from the rubble. I'm the God who breathes life into dry bones, who brings water from a rock, who turns crucifixions into resurrections. Your failure isn't final. Your story isn't over. Your night isn't endless. Hold on, I'm not done. I know you're tired. You've been fighting battles no one sees. But I've been fighting for you behind the scenes. And you are not losing. You are learning to lean. My power is made perfect in weakness, not in your strength, not in your performance, but in your surrender. So rest, not in yourself, but in me. Let go of the pressure to figure it all out. Stop trying to earn what I freely give. You are loved, right now, as you are. No conditions. You are not too much. You are not too broken. You are not disqualified. You are chosen. You are seen. You are mine. Lift your head, child. The darkness is real, but it is not forever. Joy is coming. Healing is coming. Breakthrough is coming. I know the ending. I've already written it in my blood, and the last chapter is not defeat. It's victory. The grave couldn't hold me, and it won't hold you either. This pain, it's temporary. This valley, it's not permanent. This storm, it will pass. So breathe, cry if you must, but don't give up. I'm walking with you, even now, in the silence, in the ache, in the dark. and I won't let go. Remember what I promised. Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. I will never leave you nor forsake you. Even to your old age and gray hairs, I am he who will sustain you. I am the resurrection and the life. These aren't just verses, they're vows, and I don't break my word. You don't have to feel strong to be held. You don't have to feel brave to keep walking. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is not quit. That counts as faith too. Even now, my angels are encamped around you. Even now, the Spirit is groaning on your behalf. Even now, I'm turning what was meant to harm you into something holy. I'm still writing your story, and this is not the end. So get up, wipe your face, take one more step. And if you can't walk, I'll carry you. You're not alone. You never were. You are loved. You are held. You are mine. And I will finish what I started in you. Don't give up. I've got you. I always have, and I always will.